hydraulic power unit, and what it does is, this is an electric motor that powers this thing. This is a pump, just like any other pump. It's just this one pumps hydraulic fluid. We suck it out of this tank, run it through these lines, and it goes out to the machine, and that's what provides power to all of the different actuators. So the actuator could be a cylinder, like you see there. That's what most of this is. Or there's a special kind of motor that actually makes that assembly rotate in there. It's a hydraulic motor that'll turn, but this machine is powered solely off of hydraulics. And a lot of customers don't really like to use them if they can, but you get a lot of force out of a small package. Sometimes it's just the best thing for the job. And this happens to be one of those machines where that's